Shown below are two mathematically similar cuboids. The volume of cuboid B is 1,728 centimetres cubed. Find the volume of cuboid A. So we can find a linear scale factor here because I'm going from 4 to 24. So 4 times by what is 24? So if I do it backwards, 4 times something is 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So therefore my linear scale factor is 6. I can find an area scale factor and a volume scale factor from this. So if I wanted to find the area scale factor, I would need to do the linear scale factor squared. So in this case it would be 6 squared, which is 36. For this question though, I'm looking to find the volume scale factor, which is going to be the linear scale factor cubed. So 6 cubed, this is a calculated question, so I can pop that onto my calculator. 6 cubed is 216. So I know to get from the volume of A, and I'm going to put this under here, so I've got the volume A, which is, I don't know, I times by my volume scale factor, which is 216, and I get the volume of B. So volume of A times 216, and the volume of B, it says in the question, is 1,728. So I need to go backwards. 1,728 divided by 216. And I get 8. So the volume of cuboid A is 8. It's still a volume, so it's centimetres cubed. Let's look at a slightly harder question. Pyramid A has a surface area of 20 centimetres squared. So we've got surface area is 20 centimetres squared, and pyramid B has a surface area of 320 centimetres squared. The height of pyramid A is 2. Work out the height of pyramid B. So this time, instead of working out my linear scale factor first, I'm going to be working out my area scale factor first, because we're going from a surface area to a surface area. So I've got 20 times by something is equal to 320. Let's do it backwards. 320 divided by 20, and that's 16. So that means that my area scale factor is 16. I'm interested in the length scale factor because I'm looking at height, which is a length. So I need to get back to my length scale factor. Well, I know the area scale factor is the length scale factor squared. So to get back to my length scale factor, I need to square root it. So the square root of 16 is 4. So I've got my length scale factor now. So now I'm looking at the height of pyramid A. I need to times by my scale factor to get the height of pyramid B. So I've got 2 times by my length scale factor, which is 4, gives me 8. So the height of pyramid B is 8 centimetres.